Ayan, so hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Lax Gaming again. So for today's video, it is all about Lord 9 Infinite Class. Ayan, so it is a new game, no, under Stove client. So meron na naman tayong bagong game na i-review at bagong lalaroin na game this coming August or September. So this game will be launched, I think, this coming August or September, no, baka isabay nila ito sa launch, official launch ng global nung Rome Golden Age. And so this game is free to play and play to earn. Pwede kang kumita in game. And also free to play game, no, hindi nyo naman kailangan gumastos sa game na to para lang maglaro na to, no, hindi, walang kailangan i-invest dito sa game na to para makapaglaro na to. Ulitin ko, this is a free to play game, no, na pwede nyong laruin and pwede rin kayong kumita. Ayan, so nakikita nyo guys, meron na silang official website and pwede na rin kayong mag pre-register dito, no. Ayan, so follow nyo sila sa Facebook page nila, meron din silang Discord channel, and also sa official website nila is pwede na kayo mag pre-register and also pwede rin kayo magpa-reserve ng character. Ayan, so kagandahan dito, yun nga, no guys, meron silang reservation ng character, which is, for example, meron tayong tropahan or magkakaibigan tayo na, na gusto nating maglaro sa isang server lang. Pwede na natin gawin yun. It's because makakapagpa-reserve tayo ng mga character kahit hindi pa nare-release yung game sa gusto nating server. Ayan, so guys, eto yung pinaka magiging gameplay ng laro. Ayan, nakikita nyo naman, ano. Ayan, so maganda and okay naman yung graphics, no. Then also guys, ang problema lang dito, I think yung camera niya is hindi na-rotate, no. Ayan, fixed camera din to, parang katulad ng ROM Golden Age. But sana pag nilabas ito sa tawag dito global sa C server, no, sa Asia server, ayan, so sana naman baguhin nila yon and maging flexible yung camera rotation nila, no? So dito guys, meron different kinds of skills na makikita, skill books na pwede nyong i-farm in game, and syempre mas mataas na skill level, mas mataas din and mas malakas din yung skill damage and attributes nun. Ayan, so mapunta tayo doon sa sinasabing infinite class. So bakit nga ba siya ginamit or tinawag na infinite class? It's because guys, etong Lord 9 infinite class ay kahit anong character i-create mo, pwede kang gumamit ng any kinds of weapons and equipments. Uulitin ko, pwede kang mag suot or mag-equip ng any kinds of weapons and other equipments. So, para kang dito, no, may customization ng sarili mong character. Kung ano yung gusto mong weapon na isusuot, hindi siya close sa other. For example, no, meron kasi sa ibang game guys na pag nag-create ka ng character na ganito, for example, archer, puro bow lang yung magagamit mo. Hindi ka pwedeng gumamit ng other weapons. For example, one-handed sword ka, one-handed sword lang or swords lang yung pwede mong gamiting weapon. But in this game guys, no, open siya for different kinds of equipments, no. Lahat ng weapon, lahat ng equipments, lahat ng armors and everything, pwede mo siyang i-equip. Ayan, so depende ka na lang or depende na lang sa iyo yun kung paano mo i-build ng maayos yung character mo, no. And anyway guys, yung experience dito is hindi character XP na papalevelin mo yung character mo hanggang tumaas yung level. Hindi po, no. Ang pinapa-level dito is yung mismong weapon, no. For example, meron kang weapon na level 26. Pag in-equip mo yun, automatic yung magiging level mo is level 26. Then pag nag-change ka naman doon sa isang weapon, for example, level 15 lang yung weapon na yun, in-equip mo, bababa rin yung level mo into level 15. So, ganun nangyayari dito guys, no. Ayan, so ang pinapa-level dito yung weapon. That's why much better to focus on one weapon kung ano talaga yung prepared class nyo, no. Focus muna tayo sa isang weapon lang and palakasin natin. Then after that, pag malakas na yung pinaka main weapon na gusto natin and gusto natin mag-try ng another classes like archer, sword, defender, staff, no, pwede na natin gawin yun pag medyo malakas na tayo, no, ihabol na lang natin yung iba. But it depends on you pa rin, no, kung ano yung klaseng play style or gameplay yung gagawin ninyo about this game. Ayan, so about sa trading system, meron silang trading system guys, no. Ayan, player to player trading system. Magkakaroon sila ng trading system and alam nyo naman guys, no, na kapag merong trading system and kahit nga market in game lang, no, so automatic yan meron tayong kikitain dyan. It's because of the game currency and other players doing selling the items or diamonds, no, buy and sell the in-game currencies. So yun lang guys for today's video. Abangan natin itong bagong game, MMORPG Lord 9 Infinite War. So that's all guys, and I hope to see you again on the next video. Bye bye.